Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different, and I wanted to share with you my travel journal that I've made for my upcoming trip to the States. So for this journal I've actually used a lot of things that I received in one of my subscription boxes that I had subscribed for 3 months from Papergang. And the first one I got from them, I think it was the March or April, probably the March box. The theme was Palm Springs. So basically the packaging kind of looked like this. I've already cut it up to use parts of it in here. So I used a lot of things that were in there, which just worked out perfectly because I will be going to Palm Springs and that whole southwest area. So I decided to just stick with that theme and go with those colors. And I just wanted to show you how I set up the journal and maybe give you some ideas. If you're going somewhere on vacation and you're not sure how to make a travel journal, this is just my way of doing it. And it starts with actually a lot of preparing before the trip, and then I have a section in here for during the trip. So I guess I'll just go ahead and show you the journal. So this book, which has this wonderful Coptic binding, which is perfect because the book lays flat when you open it. So I decided to use this, which is just perfect for this trip. The size is like, I think, an A5 size. And because it's gonna fill up more, I decided to just make a elastic band around it to keep everything shut. So I just sewed this with my sewing machine, and then I also just sewed this little cactus on it, which was part of, I think it was one of the stickers that came with the pack, and I just backed it on some cardstock, and then just I'm gonna use that for closure. This was also, the sticker was also part of that pack. But I mean, obviously you don't need that pack to make a travel journal. You can use any kind of journal you want. It just happened to work out really nicely for me for this time. So basically I divided this journal into various sections. So I made some tabs up here. So I have like a general section where I have things like flight information and various things. I'll show that in a second. Then I have hotels, then restaurants, sites, shopping, and in the back here I have a large section for the diary, and lastly I have a section for money. So let's go through it now. So basically this part here is yeah, just basically the title and some stickers that came with the subscription box. And then here I just added a glassine bag where I would have stickers and little bits of cardstock and stuff that I could have on hand for when I'm traveling, so I can just add it in my diary part. So these actually are some of the stickers that came with that pack. I don't know if that pack is still available. Maybe it is. So it's Papergang. You can just check on their website. And these are some washi tape stickers, which I think are so cute. You can write on. I've used these for my titles, which you will see. Then, so basically for my general tab, I have just made basically the flights and everything. Then like basically everything you see here, which is blacked out with the washi tape, is just information I don't want to share publicly. It's like confirmation numbers and prices and stuff. So this is the car rental and everything. This is the route we've planned. And then here basically I just put a paper clip on with a map of where we're going to and the route we're gonna go to, just so I have an overview. Then So here are the hotel section. So I have reserved all my hotels. So basically this is just so I have it all in one place. I have for every city we're gonna stay in. I put down the address so I can put it in my Navi, and then just the confirmation number and the price, so just so I have it all in one spot. So basically I've done that throughout all the trip. And then I have a section so with the restaurants. So I put down, just in case we can't find anything that I'm happy with, I just put down restaurants in the areas where we'll be, so we can always refer back to it with addresses in case we don't know where to go. And so basically I've kind of just done minimal decoration on each page so that there's something interesting there, just to make it more fun, basically just little things on each page. So these are all the restaurants. And I know this is very detailed planning, but I'm very excited about this trip and I want to make it an amazing trip. And yeah, so I just want to be sure I have everything in one place, as I've said. So then the section with sites is just things that I want to go to, which are not, how should I say, which are not obvious, like basically all the beautiful national parks and everything. I don't need to put in there because I know we'll find them anyway. We'll drive by them. But here are more some things like that I would want to have an address for to find with my Navi, like things in Los Angeles. And yeah, I booked a tour in Las Vegas. I booked something in San Francisco, and I have some addresses for things in San Francisco. And then this bookmark was also actually part of the cover of the Papergang box. So in the back they had this cut out where they had two separate bookmarks, and all I did was I glued the two bookmarks together to make one, and I glued a thread in the middle, and that is held here in the back. I just glued that down so I wouldn't lose it, and then I just stuck a sticker on each side, and that is my bookmark, which I think will be very handy. So this is just some of the washi that came with the kit as well. I mean, I just love that kit. That was the best subscription box ever, actually. Then I have a shopping section where basically I've put down some of the shops I know I want to see and that are on our route. So a lot of outlets, and of course craft shops, and Whole Foods, which I love, and Muji, and more craft stores. I might have to put down some more of those. And then yeah, there's just some blank pages with just a little bit of decoration. And then as a tip-in, I also included I just cut up some of these. This came with the pack as well. So basically this is for having on your desk, and it has different sections like my week and doodles, notes, and to-do lists. And I was using this for a while in my office, but yeah, then I kind of stopped using it, and then I just decided to use it like this. So some of the pieces, like for example this corner and stuff, I just stuck on here, and you'll see it throughout the book, just bits and pieces. And then I just cut, basically, for example here, the notes section, I just cut that whole part out and put it in here as a tip-in to put something else on. So just little things like that. So the diary section, of course, is empty now because that's what I'm going to be working on while I'm in the States. And I just, again, did minimal decoration. This is also from this here. Yeah, so I kind of just stuck with those colors and that theme throughout the whole journal. And this is a new set of stamps that I found at a local store, and actually I was just trying them out, and then I thought, well, I don't want to throw that away, so I just sewed it in here, and it's a pocket. So that's that. some more washi and stamps. Here's a little pocket I can put something in, like a pamphlet or I don't know what, flyer or something. Here's another tip-in. This is again from that desk thing, and I just tore them out. This is something where you can just stick something in as well. Yeah, basically it just, oh, these are actually these and the shell, and also these here, which are so cute and summer themed, are from IKEA actually. Here's another tip-in. Here are just some random stickers. Yeah, just a little something on each page. Didn't want to do too much because I do want to do that while I'm traveling. Here's another little pocket. Just some simple stamping. And here I just wanted to kind of use this as a tip-in as well. So this is part of this cover. So it said, the whole thing said, was the name, Papergang, like this. And I just cut it apart and cut it to size to fit in this A5 thing. And basically now this just says paper, which I find really cute. And I can also write on the back here. So just continuing with the, oh, and this is just a magnetic bookmark. You can stick something there. So that's the end of the diary section. And then for the money section, by the way, these are these washi tape stickers, which are so cute. The money section, I'm just basically going to track my expenses so that I keep an overview, and I have a few pages of that. And by the way, these tabs I made with my envelope punch board, but obviously you could just cut them out yourself. Just you don't need to have these fancy tabs. You could just cut them out straight. And all I did was I put clear gesso on them so that I could actually write on them without it smearing. And I actually do like the rough texture of them. And then the last thing is in the back, I just stuck an envelope and I put a, what are these things called? Like a Velcro closure on it. I just have some paper clips here in case I want to attach something on the road. And I have a plastic thing of washi tape samples so that I don't have to take any of the bulky rolls, like the washi rolls, these things with me. So that helps a lot. And I can stick other stuff in here. I do have some more space. Yeah, so basically that is my journal. And I'm really looking forward to working on this while I am on the road, basically. Yeah, so I hope this gave you some tips, and hope you have a wonderful vacation too, whatever you have planned. So see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.